In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Mercury mobile app with this easy step-by-step installation guide. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device, I've got you covered with all the details you need to get started. Let's dive right in, shall we? First off, depending on whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device, you need to open either the App Store or the Google Play Store. Simply locate the icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. It's the one that looks like a blue letter A on iOS devices or a multicolored arrow on Android phones. Tap it and you're on your way. Once inside the store of your choice, you'll see a search box at the top of your screen. Tap on that search box and type in Mercury. This is the official name of the app and it should bring up a list of results fairly quickly. Keep an eye out for the official Mercury app. You should be able to recognize it by its distinct logo. It's always a good idea to check the app's rating and reviews here just to ensure you're downloading the genuine app from a reliable developer. After you find the right app in the search results, and this is crucial, be sure to confirm that it's the correct Mercury app by comparing the number of downloads and user ratings with your expectations. This can help you avoid accidentally downloading any clones or unofficial versions which might not provide the experience you're looking for. Once you're certain it's the right one, select it by tapping on the app icon or name. Now, you'll be taken to the app's details page. This page provides further information about the app, including user reviews and additional screenshots so you can get a better idea of what to expect once you start using it. If everything looks good to you, locate the Install button, which is usually prominent and easy to find. It's often in a noticeable color like green or blue. When you tap on Install, the download process will kick off right away. Depending on the speed of your internet connection, this step might take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. If prompted, make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi unless you're okay with using your mobile data for the download process. Once the app has been successfully downloaded and installed, you'll find it right there among your other apps. And there you have it. The Mercury mobile app is now ready to use. Simply tap the app icon, set up your account or log in if you already have one, and begin exploring all the features Mercury has to offer. Thanks for following along with this guide. Getting the Mercury app on your device is now one less thing for you to worry about. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to share it with friends who might benefit from it too. Happy downloading!